Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and today's day trading future. Well, I'm quite excited and eager to show you what is going on with the chart. But just before that, let me just quickly connect with the Facebook and then obviously I can then go simultaneously live. So come day trade futures with me and then let's trade. Right, okay, so that's done, and then we can then focus on going live. Fantastic. Well, I want to thank you guys for joining me on Facebook as well, and let's see what is going on with today's charts. We obviously got a crude oil report in less than 10 minutes, 7 minutes to be precise. So without further ado, let me go to the chart and show you what exactly is going on. Right, so we're looking at, first of all, crude oil, because obviously the report is there. I'll just quickly open up here as well, so then see who is texting and who is not. I should connect the chat to OBS to be precise with you. And honest, but hey ho, I haven't done that yet, so I should be really looking to do that. Right, hey, there you go. So I'm looking at a crude oil to start with, right, and that is first and most important. So looking, I've just break on the 1 minute chart, we're just breaking above the moving average, but let's see what is going on with the other charts, because we have found some consolidation right here since 2 o'clock. I'm just looking at natural gas quickly, and that is breaking above the moving average. I missed out on this one because I was so busy setting up the live and the studio. And yes, I could have entered right here and then hold to about 2.7 for contract. So let's see how's that gonna hold. I'll be monitoring natural gas, but let's focus on crude oil before that and see how's that looking. So looking at crude oil, we have found some consolidation area, and that is purely because if you're looking at bigger time frames, then you'll be more understandable of the market and what exactly is going on. So on the 5 minute, it doesn't make any sense as well, kind of breaking below the moving average, then we're moving above, and then as you can see right here, there was a good bullish pattern earlier on the 1 minute right here, and then obviously you can see it on the 5 minutes as well, but we have approached the 1 hour moving average. Hey, well done, Turk. Did you get in natural gas? That is good. And did you get in options again? So just looking at obviously crude oil, the report is in 5 minutes, so I won't be rushing into any kind of positions as of yet, because I want to see what the report is. Is it going to be bullish, bearish, or what the heck is going to go with the market? So let's just be patient and see. But the consolidation currently we're seeing in crude oil, it's because of right here. Now, Turk, that's good. You're long in natural gas, yeah? I'm not going to tell you what to do, because last time, honestly, I'm honest with you, Turk, yeah? Let me go to the B. Honestly, last time I was good at, I told you that obviously we'll find some, like we'll break above with natural gas, and then we did break above it. I'm not going to lie to you, but then also natural gas continually slid down. So I was good at, because obviously I told you what I think will happen, but obviously, like I said to you earlier as well, you should not listen to any day trader out there. You should be only listening to yourself, your intuition, and what that is telling you. But yeah, I felt really bad because last time I told you, yes, close your position, closing profits, because the market is about to reverse. Yes, we did see some little reversal, but then we continue sliding down. So yeah, I'm sorry if I affected your trade. I shouldn't be. But again, it happens every now and then. But that is also a good lesson for you, not to listen to anyone, but to yourself, because it's your own perception. It is your own way of thinking. And if you believe in your trade, if you think the way you think, that's all it matters, right? Anything else, it's just an information that it tells you what could, should, or would happen. And that is, again, it's wrong. Because when I trade myself, Oh, you stayed. That's good. That is good. That's good. You don't listen, and that is good. Let's see now. Just looking at the chart, Turk. Obviously, we've got the 1 minute, which is very bullish. We bounced off the moving average, which is my signal. But then we kind of hitting like kind of resistance right here around the 2.7 for contract. And then as you can see on the hourly, if we break above the hourly, it's amazing. But there is also the moving average, so we don't know what will happen. But again, potentially we're looking for either a breakout or we're looking for a reversal. But let's see what the market has got for us today. Yeah, I could have really opened up a little nice position right here. I was thinking to short it right here, to be fair with you guys. But again, I was like, yeah, let's just wait. Let's get into the zone. Let's get into the flow of the market before I then rush into opening any trades. And God bless me, I didn't short natural gas. In fact, natural gas then broke above the moving average, consolidate the moving average as a good support, and then continually pushing. But are we gonna break above the hourly moving average is the big question to be answered today, and we're yet to find out. 2 minutes until crude oil report. So all eyes on crude oil. Let's see how that's gonna go. Turk, what do you think is going to be the report? Is it gonna be bullish or bearish? Let me know. My time frames are 1, 5, and an hour. An hour is just a general direction of the market, to be fair with you. I can then switch between hour, 4, and a day. So I can then get the general direction. Although lately I have only been trading with the hourly because most of the time I trade on my phone. And it's just better, to be fair with you. But yeah, I've got 1 hour, 1 minute, 5 minutes, and then an hour as well. So that's how it is looking like. We're pushing. So you may be good, maybe bullish. Well, we've been very bearish with crude oil lately, to be fair with you. I mean, we had that huge sell-off, and all that is because if you go on to the 4 hours, so let's go to the daily. So you can see we have that resistance of $80 per barrel for the last a good month. Yeah, for whole month of May. We couldn't break $80 per barrel resistance, and then we slid very badly on crude oil. Let me go back to the hours and then see. But yeah, it may be bullish, maybe bearish, who knows what will happen. That's why we love the market, because we never know what will happen on the market, guys. So that is the positive thing. But yeah, there is the report. It's past. Let's see. Yeah, it is bearish. No, it's bullish, sorry. Or let's say, don't know, maybe too early yet to tell. Let's say. Just the big question is, are we going to be able to hold that hourly moving average or bounce off it? We're kind of consolidating the moving average on the minute time frame. So yeah, if you look at crude oil, we hit bottom around 72.5. Oh, Turk, good for you, by the way. Natural gas is breaking above the 2.7 for contract, which is good. Let's see, crude oil. So yeah, I was talking about, obviously we hit a rock bottom with crude oil around 72.5 for a barrel, and then we kind of starting building a little bullish momentum at the moment. So let's see if that's gonna continue. Yesterday I had a good trade of natural gas and crude oil. I was up about 4% on the day, around that 70 on the 4 hours. Correct? Yeah, that is very true. Are you up on natural gas at the moment? Because I'm just looking on the hourly though, and it is holding that resistance at the moment. We're testing the moving average. Let's see if we'll be able to break it. Hopefully, God bless you, and we'll break it for you. But let's see if that's gonna hold or not. Because if we are to break, that's gonna be a good momentum and a lot of volume as well coming into the market. So that is all good, to be fair. Cool, natural gas had the report. Obviously, nothing significant, put it that way, I suppose. But let's see. Yeah, so like you said, on the $70 per barrel, let's see. Yeah, it is around 71.5, $72 per barrel has been a good support for crude oil, as we can tell. So let's back to an hour and then see. Okay, are we reversing with crude oil? Right, natural gas is pushing. Fingers crossed, I know. Yeah, we continue pushing with natural gas. So yeah, I should have entered long where you've entered as well. Just right here on the consolidation. But like I said, I was just busy of setting up the live and everything else that I kind of let it slide. So I'm open for another opportunity. Let's see if that's gonna obviously present itself and when that is going to happen as well. But let's see. Same thing, by the way. We are currently on the hourly moving average with both crude oil and natural gas. So let's see which way is going to hold and which way is going to give way. Cool, natural gas, it's good. The moment just made a higher high here. Let's see if we continue that bullish pattern. But crude oil, it's about to reverse, is it? Or we're just about to... Yeah, maybe breaking below the minute moving average. So Turk, are you mainly trading natural gas options or are you switching between natural gas and crude oil? Okay, let's see if crude oil now will break below. I will then, both, yes. I'll be then be looking to potentially wait for a consolidation because that is very important, consolidating the new trend, which is obviously will be a bearish one. But let's see if that is going to work. Yeah, I mean, I'm currently reading a fantastic book, by the way, Turk. It's called Market Wizard. And they mentioned that futures has lots of volume into the market. So it is always good to trade futures. And then the underlying fundamental futures are also good for trading. Where obviously if you're trading, potentially looking for stocks, then you're dependable on the company's performance and everything else. So probably looking for a good investment into companies, yes, but I think futures trading, like a day traders like us, that is a key and it's very good opportunities each and every day for those who obviously perceive the market the way we do and then see those opportunities. And it's not only about seeing the opportunities, but actually it is about taking advantage of those opportunities, because sometimes I'll find myself in just staring at the market, not taking any action, but it is not, that is not what trading is all about. It's about actually trading. Yeah, it is a good read, to be fair. I mean, I've just started it the other day because I do like, oh, well done, Turk. Well done. Natural gas is very bullish. And you can see, because obviously even on the 5 minutes, we then bounced off the moving average, consolidate, and continue uptrending. So let's see if we can achieve the 2.8 for contract right here. Hopefully we can. Cool. Crude oil, it's kind of... It's kind of doing its own thing, I suppose, to put it that way. The theory axioms by Mark Gunter. Let me have a quick look on Amazon and see the theory axioms. Okay, got it here. Okay, I'll get it. Okay, I'll get it paperback. Although I like listening to the books on Audible as well. But yeah, it's in my basket now. I've ordered it. Yes, I agree with you. Natural gas is very cheap. And then obviously, if you're looking at the fundamentals, that is very true. It is cheap, but as day traders, we kind of trade on a daily basis and on pullbacks and breakouts. So yeah, I'll be reading that book, by the way. I've just ordered it, so that should be coming forth in the next day or two. So yeah, I'll definitely be looking for that book as well. Cool, guys. What do you think will happen with a crude oil? Kind of finding that consolidation, and that consolidation is purely because of the hourly moving average right here, as you can see on the far right window. It is, as you can see, we just kind of edging to break it, but we can't break it. We're trying and trying and trying. So let's see, bulls or bears? It is as simple as that, to be fair. It is very simple. Cool. Is natural gas looking to consolidate as 2.7 as a support level? Or are we gonna sell off to about moving average 2.8 for contract and then continue moving upwards? Let's see. Because we haven't closed above the hourly moving average yet. Yet is the right word. That is good. Just looking to potentially enter a short position of crude oil. Let's just see. So Turk, how many contracts do you trade on options? Do you go big or do you go small? Because obviously they're quite volatile. So yeah. Cool. Yeah, we're breaking above the moving average again, or trying, just testing it. Let's see if the moving average will hold. Obviously, if we consolidate it, we then make a lower low here. I'll be then looking to get into a short position. But I'm not rushing yet because that's the market. Why should I be rushing? I found that every time I rush into a trade, I made a mistake. So I'll just let it unfold in front of me. I'm into the flow of the market, and that's all it matters at the end of the day. Okay, we're kind of holding here. So I'll short that bad boy. Okay, obviously managing the loss, it's always a good thing. Okay, and then I'll set my profit call at 10. Okay. Okay, there we go. Let's see what the market has got for us. Could have bolted a little bit higher up because my stop loss is just below the moving average. But let's see. That is a good setup here, guys. We're just making in profit at the moment, by the way, which is like 6 quid. Hey, that's a latte in Pret these days. But yeah, let's see what will happen. Right, so the ideal setup right here, at least for myself personally, is breaking below. Should it? Okay. I'll close 30 quid. It's just for the sake 24. It is just for the sake of getting onto a winning trade. It's probably one of the most important things. So let me go to the big camera and then tell you. Right, so it is very important to get on to a winning trade to start with. Right, it's the mindset behind it. It's everything you can think of. It's actually playing with your mind, right? So very simple. If you get into a winning trade to start the day with, I have found that 9 out of 10, you're always going and having a fantastic day. So let's see, the reason I've closed my trade now is because we have that consolidation right here. So obviously we're currently in a horizontal pattern. So if I draw a line here, and then if I draw another one here, and then you can see where we are today. Obviously, sometimes we're breaking below, but then we continue. We're bouncing off, and then, as I said, we're bouncing off. I just made 30 quid, which is nothing, but again, it's better sometimes to take profit because the market is talking to us, guys. The market is talking to us constantly. That constant exchange of energy that comes from the market. So that is the key. That is the key. Listening to yourself, and at the same time, taking advantage of every opportunity that arises. Very important. Very important. And if you stop listening to yourself, then it's all kind of internal conflicts of what I should and then what actually I did. So let's see what will happen with crude oil. Like I said, I'm potentially looking to open up another position. I just want a better direction of the market because I have been burned so many times on consolidation areas that I just want a clear indication of what is happening. So I'll be keep on monitoring natural gas and crude oil. Turk, may God be with you, and let's hope that natural gas will continue the upward momentum we've seen earlier, or if not, I hope you have taken some profits. I want to thank so much. Let's do it again. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. We had a fantastic trading day. I'm just looking at crude oil. It's continue that downward momentum. But hey ho, I'm out of the trade. I've made quick 30 quid. Nothing exciting, but I'll be looking for better opportunities the rest of the day. I want to thank you for joining me today. I'll be live trading tomorrow, same time, same place, and at the same time, we'll be looking at natural gas report. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a fantastic trading day. Thank you.